Good morning, student. Class 3rd, subject science, chapter 5, chapter name, our organ systems. Our body helps us to do many different things. Different parts of our body do different things, but they all work together. Inside our body is made of thousands of very small parts called cells. Cell is the building block of our body. These cells form the basic structure of our body. Cells are different kinds: muscles, cells, bone cells, nerve cells, skin cells, and many more. Group of similar cells together form a tissue. Two or more kinds of tissues together form organs. Many organs together form an organ system. All the organ system together form an organism. Cell. It is the building block of our body. Tissue. A group of similar cells forms a tissue. Organ. A group of tissues form an organ. Organ system. Many organs together form an organ system. Our organ systems. A system is a group of small parts working together. Our body is made up of many organ systems. An organ system is a group of organs working together to perform a specific function. Some of these organ systems and what organs they are made up of and what they do. Skeletal system. The skeletal system is made up of a framework of bones called the skeleton. Our skeleton is made up of 206 bones. The place where two or more bones are joined together is called a joint. Skeletal system. Skull, ribs, joint. Function. The skeletal system gives shape to the body. It also protects the internal organs of the body. Thank you.